Hello everyone, I bring a new video about a strategy that uses mostly in financial markets. We are going to use is an indicator called Linear Regression. As in the Quotex Option platform, we don't have this one. We're gonna use the Trade View, right? Trade View charging platform. So what is that? It's a platform that gives many charts. I can use many tools and even much better than Quotex Option analysis only the financial market. The market itself is not going to appear at the platform since the markets, etc. simulated more the markets only of the broker. That is the day charts of the broker, they're not the real markets. So you go to the Trade View or TV platform to start with the explanation of linear regression. Okay, so right here, right now, we're gonna open the Trade View platform. You can see that right now. Okay. First, you're going to mark the indicator. The platform appears. We're going to hear the indicator part. We're going to put what is regression. It's still like linear regression channel. Linear regression channel. We click in that appear, and what is that strategy for? This strategy is very simple. Let's explain this. It's like the Bollinger Bands, but in the case, it's market trend for one point for another base on arithmetic averages. That is all that. Let's show the concept of what is good to for this one. Okay, the extreme of the price creates a channel where the price tended to respect the limits as seen here. The extremes works in reversion zone. Remember that it touches the bottom, that is the upward position, and instead the top is downward position. That is inside of the report. I must confirm the rejection candle, so let's simplify this video. Okay, so in financial market time, I'm watching this video at the time that this video is being made, so it's the same for that because the market is closed or trends to pay very low, but mostly explanatory. We're going to the M1 observe the price in the past. Okay, here the price falls, we have to wait for rejecting candle. Here's the bean sin eater for 15 minutes.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
Okay. All right, you know that's a weak rejection and then revert. Yeah. Rejected candle is this entry would be the next candle, guys. Here's how you see what the behavior is unusual. Here it is also both. We have to wait for rejection. We need to wait for that. Okay, it's not that it's going to reach just the point, but it's more or less the way in which that strategy is exemplified. Okay. All right. Yeah. But how much the entries are going to be? Well, they are going to be, it depends on the chart. In 15 minutes, would be 15 minutes based on the rejection. Here it's more linear left. Here you don't see it either. Marks is very volatile. We don't see the case here. But look at what a linear regression channels is. It's look like the trend line and the price rests on it. The price is going to turn direction. And that wait minutes. Well, I don't see anything right now. Look for 4 minutes. Let's see this one. 1 minute. Nothing. That 4 hours. Yeah, guys, that's not good for now. You can use it to see the indicator for the Bollinger. I seek the reader extreme for that. For the rejection to enter the continuation of the movement, more than anything is that we're going to look for another pair. Okay, let's change this. Yeah, look at that. You're trying to get this one. Yeah, it is not so good, guys. Let's try to use this one. No, that's one. Bitcoin, X Bitcoin. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, the idea only see how this works. Okay, here you can only clear the channel for hours. Let's look the price, respect the trend. Let's look the trend, reject, and can clearly see the bullish channel.
Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
When you change that, look, that's on 1 hour. Okay, you see here too. 15 minutes, yeah, it's the same thing. It's more or less here too. Here's more or less I have to wait for a rejection. Candle, it could be that. The next candle is up. Look at that. Yeah, it's up, it's going up. I would depend on the case, would be there all because of this video. So it's a very simple strategy, guys. Easy to use. If you like this video, this indicator, leave your opinion in the comments. Alright, subscribe to the channel, share the link with your friends, and invite you to leave for the next live sessions, guys. Have a good one, wish you good profits, good operations, and bye bye.